In today's video, I will walk you through how to create torn paper effects in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Let's begin by unlocking the background layer. Go over to the Layers panel and click the lock icon on the background layer. Once the layer is unlocked, rename it to Subject so it's easier to keep track of while working. Now press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to duplicate the subject layer. With the duplicated layer selected, go to the top menu, click Image, then Adjustments, and choose Black and White. This will convert the duplicated image into black and white. Leave the default preset settings exactly as they are. Then click OK. Next, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and click the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. This applies an inverted layer mask to the black and white layer, which hides the effect for now. After that, select the Brush tool from the toolbar. Open the Brush menu and choose one of the brushes from the Torn Paper brush set. If you need to make the brush larger or smaller, use the bracket keys on your keyboard to adjust the size while you work. Before painting, make sure the inverted layer mask is selected. Also check that your foreground color is set to white, because that will reveal the effect on the mask. Now create one brush stroke across the image to reveal part of the torn paper area. Try to keep the stroke clean and place it in the section where you want the torn effect to appear. Once that's done, create a new layer by clicking the Add New Layer button. Right-click on this new layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Set the color to white, then begin brushing along the edges of the torn section to create the rough paper edges. You can switch between different brushes from the Torn Paper brush set while working. You can also resize the brushes or rotate them whenever needed to help the edges look more natural and uneven. As you paint around the torn area, avoid dragging the brush continuously across the image. Instead, use separate single brush strokes along the edges. This creates a more realistic torn paper texture and gives the effect more detail. Keep building the edges gradually until the torn section looks balanced across the image and the white paper edges feel complete. Once you're happy with the final result, the torn paper effect is finished. And that's it. You've successfully created a torn paper effect in Photoshop.